Okay, beta ji, a very good morning to everyone. So today we are going to revise the topic pronouns, right? So this is just a revision and we will have a quick recapitulation of the topic. So what is a pronoun? As you know very well, a pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. जो noun की जगह पर हम words use करते हैं, that is known as pronoun. Example is very much clear. Look at Mary, she is dancing. Anna and Lily have come to see her. Means in place of Mary. Mary is a proper noun here, but instead of using Mary again and again, we are using she or her. And in place of Anna and Lily, we are using they because now they have become a plural subject. So look at Mary, she is dancing. Anna and Lily have come to see her. They are glad to see her dancing. Now here they is referring to Anna and Lily and her is referring to Mary. She also is glad to see them. Now here she is referring to Mary and them is referring to Anna and Lily, right? So this is what pronoun is. Now kinds of pronouns. There are 8 kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, reflexive pronouns, emphasizing, demonstrative, indefinite, distributive, possessive, and interrogative. So what is personal pronoun? The pronouns which refer to first person, second person, third person. So what is first person? I, we, me, us. जो मेरे से related हो. First person. And what is second person? You, जो तुम से related हो. And other than that, third person is he, she, it, him, her. Now what is reflexive pronoun? Beta, reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronouns are same in appearance, like reflexive and emphasizing both are myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, and itself. But how to identify the difference? Reflexive pronoun acts as the object to the verb जो immediately verb के बाद आए. This is the identification of reflexive pronoun. जो immediately verb के बाद आए वो होता है reflexive pronoun. See the examples. I blame myself. Here myself कहाँ आ रहा है? Blame के बाद, and blame is a verb here. So myself is a reflexive pronoun. You will hurt yourself, right? So hurt, will hurt is verb और immediately बाद क्या आ रहा है? Yourself. So yourself is reflexive pronoun here. Emphasizing pronoun. These are the same pronouns that I told you regarding this reflexive pronoun, like myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, etc. But these are used with the noun or pronoun in order to emphasize the noun or pronoun. जब हम किसी को importance देना चाहते हैं, जब हम उसको emphasize करना चाहते हैं, तो हम उस noun या pronoun के साथ जो pronoun लगाते हैं, that is known as emphasizing pronoun. See here, I myself was there. I is a personal pronoun और इसके साथ ही myself आ गया. So it has become emphasizing pronoun क्योंकि अब ये I को emphasize कर रहा है. मैं खुद वहां था. You must do it yourself. अब आप कहोगे कि वैसे तो it भी बेटा personal pronoun है, but अगर अगर हम ऐसे इसको बोले सेंटेंस को, you yourself should do it, मीन्स कि तुम्हें ये खुद करना चाहिए. यहाँ ये वर्ब के बाद नहीं आ रहा है. सी द वर्ब इज डू. हियर वर्ब इज डू, बट डू के बाद हमारा प्रोनाउन नहीं आ रहा है. दैट in that case it is not a reflexive pronoun, it is an emphasizing pronoun. Sometimes in case of emphasizing pronouns, जो emphasizing pronoun होता है ना, वो दूर भी चला जाता है towards the end of the sentence. So how to identify कि आपका immediately verb के बाद नहीं आना चाहिए. If the pronoun is immediately after the verb, like in this case, then it is reflexive pronoun only. और अगर verb के बाद कुछ और आ रहा है और उसके बाद हमारा pronoun आ रहा है, in that case also it is an emphasizing pronoun. In this case also it is emphasizing you. You yourself must do it. ठीक है, हमने यहां सिर्फ yourself को पीछे लेके आ गए हैं, otherwise the sense is same. Here yourself is not acting as object of the verb. Here it is acting as object of the verb. Now next is demonstrative pronoun. So this is this, that, these, those, such. You know it very well. When we point out something to a specific thing, that acts as demonstrative pronoun. See, I have told you the difference between demonstrative pronoun and adjective. See, adjective is always followed by a noun. So दोनों में difference देखो, यहाँ है this is my pencil, यहाँ है this pencil is mine. So here this is followed by a noun. अगर दिस के बाद नाउन आ गया तो दैट मीन्स इन दिस केस इट इज एक्टिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव, इट इज नॉट अ प्रोनाउन हियर. अगर इट इज फॉलोड बाय अ वर्ब, अगर इसके बाद नाउन नहीं है, दिस या दैट के बाद नाउन नहीं है, इन दैट केस इट विल एक्ट एज pronoun. So here it is demonstrative pronoun, but in this case it is demonstrative adjective. Indefinite pronouns. When the words like all, some, many, few, one, none, others refer to persons or things in a general way, they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Such pronouns are called indefinite pronoun. As the name suggests, indefinite, ये होते ही indefinite हैं, ये generally किसी चीज को refer कर रहे हैं. They are not telling anything in particular, they are not referring to any particular person or thing. For example, all are not happy. So here it is clear कि हम सारे persons की बात कर रहे हैं, इंसानों की बात कर रहे हैं कि सब खुश नहीं होते. Many are poor, so बहुत ज्यादा गरीब हैं. Few can do this, few can do this, कुछ ही ऐसा कर सकते हैं. मीन्स इनके बाद नाउन नहीं हम शो कर रहे हैं. सो इन दैट केस इट इज indefinite pronoun. Next is distributive pronouns. When the words like each, every, either, neither refer to a number of persons or things one at a time. So distributive pronouns are also each, every, either, neither, like distributive adjectives. But in this case, it will not be followed by a noun. राइट. सो जब हम सब में से किसी एक चीज के बारे में उस टाइम पे बात करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. ईच ऑफ यू कैन गो, ईदर ऑफ द टू पेन्स विल डू, दोनों में से कोई भी पेन काम करेगा और तुम में से हर कोई जा सकता है. ओके, सो हियर ईच एंड ईदर आर नॉट फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन, सो दीज आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस. Possessive pronouns. Beta, you get confused between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Here you need to take care that it should not be followed by a noun. आप क्या करते हो, yours आ गया ना पीछे, आप इसको possessive adjective लिख देते हो. How can it be a possessive adjective? Adjective is always followed by a noun, तो इसके पीछे कोई noun भी नहीं है, so it is a possessive pronoun. And just notice this thing, s, 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 s. Possessive pronouns end with s. ये s के साथ खत्म होते हैं except mine, mine के अलावा. और generally in 90% of the cases ये जो possessive pronouns हैं, these are at the end of the sentence. See examples. These pens are yours. So जो yours है वो end में आया है. This bicycle is his. That house is mine. So in this case, these, this, that, these are also, they are not acting as demonstrative pronouns. These are demonstrative adjectives because these are followed by a noun. आप ये भी गलती करते हो, आप इसको भी लिख देते हो और इसको भी लिख देते हो. But see the difference. The word which is followed by a noun will act as adjective. The word which will not be followed by a noun will act as pronoun. So here it is, these is possessive, demonstrative adjective, but yours is possessive pronoun, right? Now interrogative pronouns. When pronouns like who, what, which, whom, whose are used for asking questions, that you know very well. जब हम questions पूछने के लिए words use करते हैं, those pronouns are known as interrogative pronoun. Which is your book? What is the matter? अब which और what के बाद भी कोई noun नहीं है. So in this case it is also it is acting as interrogative pronoun. So this is about the kind of the pronouns. So I hope you are clear with it. Now let me show you another